To make a Trust Wallet account in Pakistan, start by downloading the Trust Wallet application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the download is complete, install the application on your mobile device. After installation, open the Trust Wallet application and click on Create a new wallet. You will be asked to read and agree to the terms of service. Then click on Create a new wallet again. You will be given a recovery phrase of 12 words. Write this phrase down and keep it in a safe place as it will be used to recover your account in case you lose access to it. Confirm that you have written down the recovery phrase by clicking on the box. Then proceed to the next step. Create a password and PIN for your wallet. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and PIN that you can remember easily. After setting up your password and PIN, you will be taken to the main dashboard of your Trust Wallet account. From here, you can add different cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others to your wallet. To add a cryptocurrency, click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Then search for the cryptocurrency you want to add and click on it to add it to your wallet. Trust Wallet also allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from the application. To do this, click on the Buy button at the bottom of the screen. Then select the payment method you want to use, such as a credit or debit card, or a bank transfer. When buying or selling cryptocurrencies, make sure to follow best practices such as setting a budget, doing your research, and only investing what you can afford to lose. Finally, to ensure the security of your Trust Wallet account, make sure to keep your recovery phrase and password safe, and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible.